I just want to thank everybody who's joining the group. We have a free group and a paid group. Now, can you make money in the free group? Yes, definitely. I'm going to show you something in just a moment. But before doing so, I want to let you know that in this group, I show you all of my thought process from entries to exits, how I'm doing. Everything that I do is very strategic. I show you the strategic places to do targets, stop loss, support, resistance. Support resistance is extremely important, and if you don't have those specific levels, well, then everything else crumbles. I show you how to do this in my free, of course, YouTube live streams. Also in the free Telegram group. If you're not a part of it, you're missing out, guys. You are missing out. And then if you want to elevate your skills just a little bit more or faster, then of course you want to go to the VIP group. And in the VIP, we have short videos, 3 to 4 minutes on average, that explain all the steps that I show you. Now, all of these steps, do you need the VIP? No, you don't. Who says that, right? You don't. You don't need the VIP. You can get everything in the free portion of the Telegram group. So I strongly recommend you join the free portion of the Telegram group. Also, you get everything that I show you on the YouTube videos. I am not one of those people who promise you the world, empty dreams, make 80% gains and 39% gains in 4 minutes. And I don't do any of that stuff, guys. I'm in it for you. I want you to make money. And one of my famous things that I've said since the very beginning is I want to get rich with you, not because of you. There are so many people, and it gets me so sick, guys. It gets me so sick. There are these people that, of course, have groups, and they're multimillionaires. Not a millionaire, but multimillionaires. And they're preying on your greed because they show you all of these percentages and look at what we did, look what we did, and this is in the group. But how many charts did they post to get those results? Think about this, guys. Think about that. They're tricking you. They're tricking you. And it gets me so mad and so upset. In the group that I have, in the free portion or the paid portion, whichever you want, I give very limited amount of charts. I do all the waiting for you. How many times have you been in one of those other groups and they're posting 10, 20 charts a day, and then finally at the end of the week or 3 or 4 days later, they're posting setups that they did or results from setups they did a week or two ago? When I do my post, I do all the waiting for you. I have alerts, they go off, doesn't look right. I need to see more momentum. I need to see more price action. I need to see more of the strength of the move. When that happens, then I set another alert. It goes off. Nope, still doesn't look right. Let me go ahead and just wait just a little bit longer. Then the alert goes off again. I look at it, I go, right, this probably needs another 4 to 8 hours, maybe even 12 hours before I post it. Because when I post, they're ready. They are ready for you to make money. Now, do we make money all the time? Nope. No promises here, no hopes and dreams, no nothing like that. But do we make money real quick? Sometimes we do. Sometimes they move within minutes of me posting because they're ready. Sometimes it takes a few hours, maybe a day. But there was another group that posted a chart, and of course I saw it. People send me charts, and I was like, man, this was not even ready. Like I've been looking at this chart for 4 or 5 days. This was not even ready. Sure enough, 3 days later, my alert went off, started looking good. I posted it within minutes. Within minutes, start taking off. If you want that type of dedication to you, join my group. We have the free group, we have the paid group. Now, of course, in the paid group, you get more attention. There's more updates, moving up your stop loss, enter now type stuff. But you don't need that, guys. You can learn all this stuff, and I show this to you. You can even ask for charts. We have plenty of charts that are asked in the free group. And normally, I'll do a video with my thought process on these charts. And if I were you, I'd recommend getting into this free group now, because when it grows to thousands, and it will, when it grows to thousands and thousands of people, my time's going to be very, very limited. As of right now, it's already limited. However, my goal is to make you money. Plain and simple. Do me a favor, share this out, like it, comment, all that fun stuff, but most importantly, share this out. I want to show people how they can trade, and I give everything for free. There's a lot of people that do this. A lot of these, people that help mentors, what they'll do is they'll give you little bits and pieces. And then they'll say, oh, but if you want it all, you have to pay me $99 per hour. Get out of here, man. Get out of here. Why? Just give it to, like, I want information. I need this information. They don't do that. Me, I give you everything I know. I want you to become a warrior. Man, it gets me upset, guys. It really does. Because these people, they prey on you. They prey on your greed. They prey on your desperation for wanting to better your life. Not me. I want to help those that need it most. Those that have money already, they can pay for the VIP. Go for it. Those that don't have the money, what I want to do is I want to show you how to make this money. And then if you want, you can join my VIP or another VIP that you saw and who wanted to join forever, but they never gave you the tips and tricks on how to make this money. Go join them. Like, I don't care. My goal, make you money. And of course, in the VIP, I show you when the trades are actually ready, because it's super easy. I could post 10, 20 charts also. I can do that a day and then have all these. It's so easy. Like, if you know how to chart, it's so easy to do that. And then just say, oh, look at these results. Look at these results. Look at it. That's easy, man. That's not even, get out of here. I am very passionate about making you money. Very passionate. And regardless, I don't want to make you money or give you the knowledge to make money. And the only way I can do that is if I fill my pockets. I'll show you. Join the VIP. No. I give you all this information. Matter of fact, let me show you this real quick. So this is from a free member, and we get these all the time. This is from a free member. They joined the group. They saw how it worked. They saw all the setups and just the knowledge and the questions. If you have questions on how to trade, whether it's indicators or anything else, send me a message. Send me a message in the group, in the free group. Send me a message at trade, and of course it'll fill it out. And then what I'll do is I'll respond to you, and more than likely I'll either do an audio or I'll do a video. That way it's more of a thought process and you see what I'm looking at. Now, this person goes on to say that they joined the free group and they really want to get to the VIP, and then they say that they did a challenge for themselves. They follow the setups that were posted and they made money. And now they're going to join the VIP. That's simple, guys. It's literally that simple. If you want somebody who really cares about you, who's looking out for you, who wants to show you how to make money before you even join a paid group, right here, guys, right here. I'm telling you, this will change your life. This will prepare you for the bull market to come. I mean, we're already in the bull market. We're in the very beginning of it. Imagine how much money you can make in this group that actually shows you how to trade. And then, of course, it's going to be so much more in the VIP, but do you need it? Everything I give to you is for free. And the live streams, join me on the live streams. We do this every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Ask me your questions. Give me your charts. Let me work for you. Let me help you make money. Not only that, but help me give you the knowledge you need to not depend on other people. Like I said, I want to build warriors. I want you to tell me, hey, Joe, look at this chart. Man, it did X, Y, and Z. Not only that, look at this, this, and this. Here's the market cap. Here's this, this, and this. I think it's ready. And I look at it, it's like, dude, man, that's crazy. This is like the best chart I've seen or setup. Let me post it. I post it in the group, the VIP, the regular, another Telegram. I'm a member of many Telegram groups and many Discord groups, and I post it everywhere. People love my charts. They love how simple my charts are. And guess what happens? More eyes get on that chart, and then we make a lot of money. All right, guys. I do thank you so much for your time. This is just something that it frustrates me so much that all these groups, they'll post, hey, look, guys, we did 300%. We did 800%. We did, we called it at this time, but they post a daily result chart. And it took 2 or 3 months to do that. Anybody can do that. Guys, wake up. Wake up, guys. Wake up. Anybody can do that. Heck, if you don't know how to trade, you can post a chart and wait 3 months. It's up 200-300%. Anybody can do that. but they trick you. They trick you into joining their VIP. Here, no trickery, no bamboozlement, no hopes and dreams, nothing like that. I'm looking out for you. I want you to make money. If you feel this dedication, if you see the sincerity, because I do, I've been doing this since the beginning, since I first started my first YouTube channel, before I was forced to delete it. But when I started my first YouTube channel, same thing. And my OGs, the one who've been following me forever, they know my true dedication. And okay, so scammers, the test of time will show them. Salesmen, the test of time will expose them. People who aren't really in it for you, who are really good at words and can sell you everything, and don't have this, don't have heart, those people get exposed. Those people finally, after, it could take a few months or a few years, but they get exposed for their true self. I've been around for a while. I've done the same thing. You know, I give all of myself, all of my knowledge to you for free. And I'm continuing to do that. Even though now there's a paid group, I still give everything for free. Who does that? Nobody does that. They want the money. They want the money. Am I rich? No. Is this video too long? Yes, it sure is. Oh my gosh. If you've made it this far, do another comment. Do another comment with saying this far. I would love to see that. I would love to see that comment. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. I do thank you. I got to get ready for the live stream in just a little bit. But once again, we do a live stream every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My goal is to make you money. And on top of that, hear my words. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Plain and simple. Now, you know what time it is. It's time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. My name is Joe. This is TradingIntuition, who I really do truly care about you and your success and all the money you're going to make. Man, you're going to make so much money. Oh, man. Join the group, guys. Join the group. It's free. If you want, do the VIP. Doesn't matter to me. Make money in the free group and then go join another VIP. I don't care. My thing is, I want to make you money. Period. Join me today and every day after that, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll see you there. Take care, guys.